If you are trying to grow a YouTube channel, run a business, or smash your exams right now, you are probably facing three massive problems. First, you want to use the most powerful AI like Grok for real-time research, but you don't want to pay a heavy monthly subscription. Second, your thumbnails don't look clickable enough to compete with big creators. And third, jumping between 10 different messy websites just to make one single video is draining your energy and burning your mobile data. In this video, I am going to show you three specific tools that are going to change your creative career forever, and exactly how to access them all in one high-end, super intelligent dashboard. Let's jump straight into the screen. Look at my screen closely. If you want to access this Grok interface for free without paying for a premium subscription, just click the link in the description. Once you're here, just paste your prompt for your videos and let the AI generate everything for you. Note that sometimes the site might ask you to share it to your social media accounts before it reveals the answer. Here is the ultimate hack. Just click share, pretend to share it, then immediately go back to the page and refresh. Boom! You bypass the lock completely. You may think you have seen this video or this website before, and you are right. But today I want to show you some supercomputers that are not small. They are massive, and all their links are in the description. Now for the second tool, this one is going to completely change how you approach your YouTube strategy. Go to your browser, search for Thumbs.ai, and you're going to see this very beautiful interface. Sign in with your account, open up YouTube, and let's search for MrBeast to test how good this tool is. Let's find one of his thumbnails that is good and better enough. Let's go with this one. Copy the link, go right back to the tool, paste the link right there, and click on Generate. Look at that, it grabs the thumbnail instantly. Now come down to the advanced mode. You can choose either YouTube Longform or YouTube Shorts. I like to go with two variations, which will cost 2 credits. Hit Generate, let it load, and prepare to have your mind blown. The funniest thing is that this tool can actually grade your click-through rate, predicting whether it will hit an 80%, 90%, or 100% CTR based on how YouTube suggests videos. If a link ever gives an error and says it was blocked by YouTube, don't worry, just look at this next attempt. Can you see this, bro? It literally replicated the entire YouTube video setup. Are you sure this is not where MrBeast secretly comes to make his thumbnails from? Look at the side-by-side comparison. The only difference between this MrBeast thumbnail and the replication is the arrow and the angle of the graphic. This is absolutely massive. If you want to create a video and you don't have an idea for the thumbnail, just copy somebody's link from YouTube, come directly to this tool, paste the link, and get an exact perfect replication example. You can explain examples people have already created and see the viral layouts. You can even use this tool to instantly download somebody's high-res thumbnail by pasting the link and clicking Extract. Or if you have an image on your phone, like this picture of MrBeast, just upload it directly, enter the description you need, and the AI will do it all for you. I highly recommend you go and try it out right now. But wait, instead of keeping 50 different browser tabs open and destroying your phone's memory, this is exactly why I built this next tool. Yeah, bro, this is the final project here. This one is going to completely blow your mind because this is a super intelligent computer. It is not just any basic website, it is an authorized operator ecosystem. This system is perfectly created for creators, business entrepreneurs, students, and digital builders. Guess what? This is one of the fastest AIs I have ever seen in existence. Let's type introduce yourself. Can you see the speed at which it gives me my reply? Let's push it further and type, help me search the internet on YouTube and tell me what is trending now. Can you see the level of speed at which it answers questions? It runs an autonomous web reset and instantly pulls the current trending video topics, trending music videos, and gaming channels. Can you see that? The funniest thing is that this is not only a chatting AI agent, it is a supercomputer system online called AlphaTekx OSV 3.0. This is built for every single person. Look at the top menu and click on Integrated AI Tools. It drops down a complete powerhouse. Website Builder, Exam Prep, Art Generator, Media Linker, Video Generator, Contract Guard, Voice Generator, Thumbnail Studio, and Script Writer. It can literally help you to create anything. All you need to do is sign up. Let me launch the Exam Prep tool so you can understand what I literally mean. Give it some time to load. Don't be in a haste. Look at this. It brings out an updated exam preparation platform where you can practice natively for WAEC or JAMB. Let's set up an exam. Look at the subjects. It literally has all the subjects you can think of: English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, government, and literature. And if a new 2025 or 2026 WAEC question is released, it is going to be updated instantly. Let's select our subjects and begin the exam. It generates the official past questions for you. This is not just a play, this is massive. The clock starts ticking down immediately from 2 hours. Let's pick an answer, click Next, and hit Submit. It scores you instantly. If you get a question wrong, you can click on AI Review or AI Help and tell the system to teach you. It breaks down the entire question for you in plain layman definitions so you can understand it perfectly. Preparation is a marathon, not a sprint, and this AI is here to give you guidance every step of the way. Let's return back to the supercomputer. Look at the Media Linker tool. This lets you turn your image, video, or audio file into a live web link instantly for free. No money needed. Let's click it, give it some time to load, and drag an image from the phone gallery.
Uploading completed. Now you can literally just copy your link, open a new browser tab, and paste it. Can you see that? It gets your link instantly for free. It is super fast and easy to use. Even a primary 2 student can understand it. Now let's go to the website builder. Just type your description like, create a website for my business. You can choose the type you want: startup, agency, blog, store, or portfolio. And pick your theme, whether it is light, dark, colorful, minimal, elegant, or bold. Look at it loading. This is massive, bro. It creates things beyond the unimaginable, whether you are viewing it on a computer or an Android phone. It makes your work simple, fast, and beautiful. And finally, look at the master video generator. Click on the video section, give it time to load, and you can create stunning viral videos using your launch credits. Everyone who signs up gets 30 free credits automatically, and running a tool costs exactly 5 credits. If you ever run out of credits, dropping a refill package is so cheap that the money required is just the money you would use to buy a bottle of pure water without stress. If you don't like what you see or you want custom features, just click Build with us. Send my team a message, and we will review your project instantly. No more expensive monthly software bills. No more jumping between messy tabs, and no more hitting roadblocks. Use Grok for the viral trends, Thumbs.ai to audit your content strategy, and let AlphaTekx run your production engine. Head over to the description right now. Click the live link. Launch AlphaTekx OSV 3.0 directly on your phone, and let's scale together.